This is Greg Trautwein with Marine Technology Reporter, and we're here today at the Oceanology International in London with Marcus Bohr, the COO of 4H Jena Engineering, to discuss this company and its place in the subsea space. So Marcus, first and foremost, nice to meet you.
Thank you for having me here.
Yes, I understand that you are still relatively new to the 4H Jena name, so why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself as well as the company.
So I started last year in September, so I'm now working 6 months here, and I'm normally from the automotive sector, 9 years of experience in automotive, and now I had the opportunity to support also 4H Jena and also my father. So this is the reason why I'm here, and I will also try to create some benefit for the future, of course. So the good thing, of course, so we have experience over 30 years now, in a lot of measurements for our customers, and we are focusing now only also on the subsea technologies. And I think now we have also here today some good new products, 2 products from our side to be more for our clients there.
The new products is the lifeblood of any industry. What is new in sensor technology?
So the first thing, of course, is our combi sensor. So we have here the chance to combine CO2 and methane. And it's also good for glider missions because this is now the trend in the future. And the second thing, of course, is our HydroPD, our multi-parameter sensor. So where we can offer something that it's not only on the ship, it's also going subsea. So we are very known, of course, of our Ferry Box, and now we have the solution here to say for our customers we can go also under the water line.
All right. We're now here with Uwe Posner, the Senior Sales Manager for 4H Jena. Why don't we take a little bit deeper dive into the types of sensor technology that you actually manufacture?
Yeah, thanks. So we produce, since 2020, we have a big portfolio of carbon system sensors like the CO2, CH4. We are very good in the market on that because of the quality of the sensors. So we develop our sensors. It's not everything from our ideas. We produce the sensor together with the customers. That's the feedback from the customers. It's the biggest thing for us. And that, one of the biggest point of 4H is that the customers are happy with our products. So, and that's the reason that we build the systems together. So like the sensors, so for the thing, it's a very new one, so that we combine CH4 and CO2 in one housing for AOVs. That's a good thing. That's a unique thing on the market. So it's the first relaunch on that, on this exhibition. And we are also very, very strong in the market with the Ferry Box systems. So we are more or less market leader on that. So that's also Ferry Box is also like a system that we build together with the customers. It's not our idea, it's just the ideas from the customers that we bring to a solution. That's the idea of the Ferry Box. And we have really, really good results. We have a very good example is the Senor Perseverance from Jean-Louis Etienne. It's sailing around the world to the Antarctic and the Arctic, and one of our Ferry Boxes on this vessel. And I'm very, very proud that we have one Ferry Box on this vessel from Jean-Louis Etienne. He's really a hero in this polar science. So, and we are part of them, and that makes me really proud of it. Yeah.
That's awesome. Yeah. So you mentioned the combining of sensors in one unit. What's the significance of that?
The idea is to save the payload for AOVs and also money for customers, so that we have the 2 system in one housing to save space and make more options for customers. That's the idea. So we got some requests from customers from the US market that they need space for the AOVs, for leak detection systems or whatever. So there's a lot of options for that. Yeah,
okay,
that's the idea.
Excellent. Well, you mentioned one of the applications. Are there any new technologies or applications that you'd like to discuss?
So one of our best successful stories are the Ferry Boxes. So we have some new projects now with the Institute Blocan on the Canary Islands. It's also the first Ferry Box in this area. So that's more and more of the systems, because the customer knows that the systems are running very well, and that's the idea. We have the for this year in March or April, we have the first Ferry Box in the US market with the USGS. I'm also very proud on that. It's not easy to come in the US market with that, so we do this together with our partner in the US. But that's also a really good story for us to have one of the systems in the US market.